Good morning. How are you? Today I'm going to talk to you about conflict management. We all know this subject is as old as the mankind itself. We all know that we are living in a world which is highly conflicted today. Ever since the mankind has surfaced on this planet, the conflict started. The civilization has seen 3 A's, and we all know that our first lesson in life started from A for apple. The word apple has really changed the entire civilization. The first appearance came when the Adam and Eve wanted to taste the apple, and we all know civilization never looked back thereafter. The second one is when the apple fell down and Newton saw it, the scientific stimulation, the scientific calculations, and the scientific knowledge which flourished in the entire world again was a very important cornerstone in world. And third apple is the apple which you are holding in your hand, which digitalized the entire modern world. So these are the 3 apples which have really changed the very outlook of civilization, be it the social or economic spectrum. I'm not going to tell you about the classical things about conflict management. I mean, there is a large number of videos, there are a large number of literature which is available on that. I'm going to tell you certain nuances or certain aspects of conflict management which I have myself experienced in my long journey in the army as well as in the corporate world. The conflict management basically, I feel, starts from the 4 V's. First is your views. Second is your vibes. Third is your vision. And the fourth is venom. I feel that the entire conflict originates from these 4 V's. That is vibes. Firstly is the views. Generally you will find that human beings always have difference of opinion. The views always differ. You must have seen that the perception and parvarish both have been fed to you in the same scale, in the same quantity, in the same kind of flavor. But you will find that in a house where 2 kids have been brought with the same parameters, the views and the perception differs, and hence the conflict starts. So the conflict starts from within yourself. We may call it as inner conflict, where we are constantly at war with ourselves. Second is your views. Then vibes. The vibes which we exude these days is a spin-off of the views which we have. Sometimes you will realize that the toxic elements which we have in our personality affects our vibes. And the vibes affect your vision. Because everybody has got his own vision. Some may have, wider vision with broader outlook. Some may have myopic vision with very narrow outlook. So in any organization, you will find that the conflict in views and vision is a major contributor to the conflict management. And last V is the venom, the toxic element which we have, which is out in open these days and is byproduct of this industrialized or digitalized or over ambitious world. एक शायर ने बड़ा अच्छा कहा है कि जिंदगी को मैंने इस कदर आसान कर दिया